Salut à tous, bienvenue sur Scola Militarum, je suis Nicéphore et aujourd'hui on se retrouve sur le jeu Destroyer the U-Boat Hunter et on va continuer la carrière. Alors, là on doit défendre un convoi qui a perdu sa formation, c'est parti. J'ai l'impression que ça avance, hein, c'est bien. Mais c'est que je commence par les trucs à une carrière. Hein. Alors,
Contact
combat.
Able, now bears 113, range 5,400 yards.
Alors, Black Cat, parce que comme il a une durée de vie limitée...
Bloodhound, this is Black Cat. Air support on station. Black Cat reporting.
Contact Able, now bears 115, range 5,200 yards.
Black Cat, this is Bloodhound. Attack contact. Able.
Roger. Black Cat attacking contact. Able.
Exceptionnellement, on va laisser...
Hockey, this is Bloodhound. Proceed to engage.
Roger. Hockey engaging.
À moins que...
Contact Able, now bears 118, range 5,000 yards.
Ready depth charges. Shallow pattern. Course 118. Aye, sir.
Contact Able, now bears 122, range 4,800 yards.
2. Course 122. Aye, sir.
Non, j'attaque Able. Et si je
Contact
mets sur le
Able,
coup...
now bears 127, range 4,500 yards.
7. Course 127.
Ah,
Aye,
j'ai
sir.
tiré d'aller autre part. Ok.
Bloodhound, this is Black Cat. Subsighted east, 6 miles from convoy.
Contact Able, now bears 130, range 4,200 yards.
Course 130. Aye, sir.
Lost contact Able, last bearing 130, last range 3,800 yards.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey regained contact. Able. Bearing 130.
Un
Range
coup, on perd, un
4,000
coup, on le
yards from
retrouve, donc
Bloodhound.
c'est quoi ça?
Bloodhound, this is Black Cat. Engaging sub. Bloodhound, this is Black Cat. Periscope feather sighted east, 5 miles from convoy.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey now has sonar contact. Able. Bearing 131. Range 3,600 yards from Bloodhound.
3-1. Aye, sir. Bloodhound, this is Black Cat. Drop depth charges on sub. Attack ineffective.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey now has sonar contact. Able. Bearing 132. Range 3,400 yards from Bloodhound.
New course 132.
Course 132. Aye, sir. Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey now has sonar contact. Able. Bearing 132. Range 3,100 yards from Bloodhound. Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey now has sonar contact. Able. Bearing 132. Range 2,800 800 yards from Bloodhound.
Donc on continue toujours tout droit. Ah, évidemment.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey now has sonar contact. Able. Bearing 132. Range 2,500 yards from Bloodhound.
Rudder, 25 degrees right.
Rudder, 25 degrees right. Aye, sir.
Steady as she goes.
Aye.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey now has sonar contact. Able. Bearing 131. Range 2,200 yards from Bloodhound.
Surface radar has a new contact. Bearing 005. Range 5,700 yards.
Bridge combat. New surface contact from radar. Bearing 005. Range 5,700 yards. I designate contact Baker. Time 1450.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey now has sonar contact. Able. Bearing 127. Range 1,900 yards from Bloodhound. Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey lost contact. Able. Last known bearing 123. Range 1,800 yards from Bloodhound.
Handler, this is Bloodhound. Engage contact. Baker.
Roger. Antler engaging contact. Baker.
Hockey reporting.
Hockey, this is Bloodhound. Maneuver to new station.
Roger. Hockey maneuvering to new station.
Alors. 127.
New course. 127.
Course 127. Aye, sir.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey made a depth charge attack on contact. Able. Debris sighted.
J'espère qu'il y a eu aller.
Bridge, poor lookout. Oil slick. Bearing 110.
Principaux qui est en train de partir en avant. Logiquement. Là, je vois encore qu'il tourne. Qu'est-ce qu'il fabrique encore ce con là, putain. Ça va.
New course. Combat sonar. Regain contact. Able. Bearing 021. Range 100 yards. 021.
Course 021. Aye, sir.
Fire 1. Fire 2. Ready depth charges. Shallow pattern. Fire 3. Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 300. Range 300 yards. Estimated depth medium.
Course 300.
Ready
Aye,
depth
sir.
charges. Medium pattern. Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 238. Range 400 yards. Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 227. Range 400 yards. Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 205. Range 400 yards. Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 194. Range 400 yards. Bearings drifting left.
Course 194. Aye, sir.
Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 150. Range 300 yards. Very strong propeller noise.
Aye, sir.
Ah, voilà.
Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 092. Range 100 yards. Contact decreasing depth.
Aye, sir.
Combat sonar. Lost contact. Fire 1. Able. Last bearing 092. Fire 2. Last range 100 yards. Ready to fire charges. Shallow pattern.
Bridge, poor lookout. Object 1/3 to the horizon. Bearing 335. Appears to be periscope feather.
Stand by to fire.
Bridge, starboard lookout. Merchant ship CBDR. Bearing 095. Range closing quickly. I say again, CBDR. Bridge, poor lookout. Object 1/3 to the horizon. Bearing 284. Appears to be periscope feather.
Ah, bordel de merde, fait chier. Les bateaux me font tous chier. Pas d'autre mot, ça me gonfle.
Stand by to fire.
All engines ahead standard.
All engines ahead standard. Aye, sir.
Ouais, puis le machin, bon. Contact perdu,
Bloodhound,
évidemment.
this is Black Cat. Periscope feather sighted. Southeast, 6 miles from convoy.
Surface radar has regained contact. Able, bearing 338. Range 1,600 yards.
Bloodhound, this is Black Cat. Submergent.
Contact. Able, now bears 344. Range 1,700 yards.
Bloodhound, this is Black Cat. Subsighted. Southeast, 6 miles from convoy.
Aye, sir.
Contact. Able, now bears 002. Range 1,600 yards. Lost contact. Able, last bearing 002. Last range 1,500 yards.
by to fire.
Bloodhound.
Lost contact. Baker, last bearing, 339er. Last range, 4,400 yards. Surface radar has a new contact. Bearing, 293. Range,
Bridge, combat. New surface contact from radar. Bearing 293. Range. I designate contact Charlie.
No,
Time
c'est pas possible.
14:59.
Bloodhound. This is Black Cat. Periscope, feather, sighting. East. 4 miles. From
Malgré
convoy.
qu'il note. Non, bon, je comprends pas.
Mountie reporting.
Bridge, starboard lookout. Object 1/2 to the horizon. Bearing 019. Appears to be periscope feather.
Mountie, this is Bloodhound. Proceed to engage.
Roger. Mountie engaging.
Stand by to fire. Fire. Fire.
Combat sonar. Regain contact. Able. Bearing 090. Range 300 yards. 0. Course 090. Aye, sir. Bloodhound. This is Antler. Antler regained contact. Baker. Bearing 333. Range 2,600 yards from Bloodhound. Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 166. Range 300 yards. Contact decreasing depth.
166. Aye, sir.
Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 244. Range 200 yards. Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 262. Range 200 yards. Very strong propeller noise.
Aye, sir.
Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 347. Range 300 yards. Very strong propeller noise.
347. Aye, sir.
Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 044. Range 400 yards. Wake on left cut.
4. Aye, sir. Bloodhound. This is Black Cat. Periscope, feather, sighting. East. 4 miles. From convoy.
Contact making a sharp right turn. Surface radar has regained contact. Baker, bearing 335. Range 2,400 yards. Bloodhound, this is Antler. Antler lost contact. Baker, last known at bearing 335. Range 2,400 yards from Bloodhound. Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 141. Range 200 yards. Bearings drifting right. Fire 1. Fire 2. Ready depth charges. Shallow fire 3. Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 219. Range 300 yards. Strong propeller noise.
219. Aye, sir.
Bah, moi j'ai tout mis à côté.
Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 295. Range 300 yards. Strong propeller noise.
Surface radar has a new contact. Bearing 348. Range 8,600 yards.
Bridge, combat. New surface contact from radar. Bearing 348. Range 8,600 yards. I designate contact dog. Time 15:4.
Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 008. Range 300 yards. Wake on right cut.
Lost contact. Baker. Last bearing 342. Last range 2,600 yards.
Black Cat reporting.
Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 059. Range 500 yards. Wake on left cut.
Black Cat, this is Bloodhound. Attack contact, dog.
Roger. Black Cat attacking contact. Dog. Bloodhound, this is Black Cat. Air support no longer available. Minimum fuel returning to base.
Antler, this is Bloodhound. Attack contact.
Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 092. Range 500 yards. Bearings drifting right.
Roger. Antler attacking contact. Dog.
Hockey, this is Bloodhound. Proceed to engage contact. Baker.
Roger. Hockey engaging contact. Baker.
Alors, voyons voir.
Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 112. Range 300 yards. Contact decreasing depth.
Bridge, starboard lookout. Object 1/3 to the horizon. Bearing 118. Appears to be. Periscope feather.
Maple, this is Bloodhound. Maneuver to new station.
Roger. Maple maneuvering to new station.
Combat sonar. Lost contact. Fire 1. Last bearing 1. Fire 2. Last range 200 yards. Ready to fire 3. Shallow pattern.
Bridge, port lookout. Oil slick. Bearing 295.
Alors, on va repartir au 300. S'il n'y a plus rien ici.
New course 300. Course 300. Aye, sir.
C'est dès qu'ils sont maintenus, bah oui, à 300 bornes, là.
Lost contact. Dog. Last bearing 334. Last range 6,600 yards.
All escorts. Contact Able has most likely been sunk by Bloodhound. Well done.
New course 330. Course 330. Aye, sir.
En principe, ça devrait aller. Comme on n'est jamais sûr de rien.
Bloodhound, this is Antler. Antler regained contact. Dog. Bearing 333. Range 6,400 yards from
Moi, je
Bloodhound.
vais bientôt m'arrêter.
Surface radar has
donc,
regained contact. Baker. Bearing 328. Range 2,600 yards. Contact